Hey, Jay here with Waypoint Water Systems. Going to walk you through today how to regenerate your Waypoint Water Softener. So as you use your unit, you may notice after a certain amount of time and after a certain amount of gallons go through that you might notice a decrease in your water quality. These units do require a regeneration to recharge the media that is inside of the tank. So I'm going to walk you through how to do that. This is normal operation, where you'll have your water coming from your source into your tank and out to your hose or to your boat. First thing you want to do is make sure that your water is off. You're going to want to take any pressure that might be on the system off prior to disconnecting any hoses. After the pressure has gone down, we will go ahead and disconnect our water pressure or our hoses until all of our water is out of our tanks. And we'll set our hose off to the side. For this to work, we need to reverse the flow of water through our tank. And before we get to that, all of our units that are shipped out come with our recharge kit, which you'll notice here. This one we have filled with salt. All of our units do come with prepackaged salt that are in these bags. You'll simply just open up the bag, pour the contents and fill up your canister until it's full of rock salt, and then you can set this bag off to the side. We do offer this on our website, www.waypoint-water.com, for refills as well. So first things first, what we're going to do is we are going to disconnect the inlet off of our unit. Again, our inlets come with blue bands around the ends. Our recharger has a blue band on the end that we want to connect to. So we'll just simply pull back on our fitting. We'll make sure that it is locked in place. We will set our unit down. And on the outlet of our unit, we have a red band. So we will simply match our red band to our red band on our unit. So we'll just pull back on it and make sure that the unit is snug. In this case it is. And what we want to do is we want to get this close to the water to where we can just make sure that the water is barely flowing through our unit. So we'll slowly turn the water on. Water will begin to fill up our canister. We'll start to bring our brine solution, and then our brine solution will start to go through our unit. And what's happening here is the media inside of this tank is letting go of all of the mineral that it's collected in normal operation, and it's starting to grab onto the sodium from the salt. So we're going to let this unit run like this for approximately probably 30 minutes or so. You can go off, do something else on the boat. You can go clean up the boat, tidy up. Again, this should only be done depending on water quality. So again, this unit here is our Atlas unit. It can treat roughly 2,000 to 2,500 gallons of water prior to needing a regen. Now that water's starting to come through, we're just going to back it down to where it's just barely trickling out of our tank, just like so. And we're just going to let that regenerate for approximately 30 minutes or so, and just like that. So we're going to do that until all of the salt has completely dissolved inside of our canister. After it's completely dissolved, we're going to want to turn off our water, make sure that all of our water pressure is off. We're going to disconnect our recharger. We'll disconnect our lead hose and set our recharger off to the side. And again, we'll just match our blue to our blue. And we're going to flush this for approximately 5 minutes. And we can do this at a full speed. We're going to let that flush for approximately 5 minutes. What that's doing is removing any salt from the system that might be remaining. And after that's flushed for 5 minutes, we'll turn our unit off. We'll grab our hose that goes off to our boat or our spray nozzle, match to our red end, and we can turn our water back on. Now you're back to having soft, clean water on your boat, RV, on the dock. If you have any questions, need any support, contact us at support@waypointh2o.com. Thank you.